Alright, welcome back everyone. So I posted a video about 12 hours ago, and that was testing $800, $800+ in 24 hours with a new affiliate program or something. Anyway, I got stuck. I was waiting for a welcome mail, kinda. This one. It says, I got it on Thursday, 9:30 p.m. It was late in the evening, and I made that video and I uploaded it back in a bit before that. So yeah, I got the email. Dear Zakaria Abuhoff, congratulations, you have been approved to join the Strong VPN affiliate program. Your username is my mail. General, your affiliate link is this. To set up your password and access your account, please click on the link below. Alright, we got it all set up. So this is what it looks like. 0 to 1 commission. Build a roll. Let's go to build a roll, bruh. Oh wait, maybe I'll just click on this affiliate link.
Now you can use whichever one you
Blueprint, build a roll account. Alright. 14 days free trial. Hello. Yep. Country. Not even trying to learn that
right now. Now once you sign in, it's going to take you to the Build a Rule dashboard. It's going to look exactly like this, of course.
I'm ready to walk. You guys ready? To walk. Oh, let's walk, everybody.
Sign up, and boom, just like that, it will take them straight back over to Strong VPN. Of course, it's not going to go to the affiliates page. It's going to go to the home page, which is going to be attached to your affiliate link. Like I said, guys, all you need is 20 people to make over $800 with this affiliate program.
Welcome back everyone. I have created my website in this Builderall website. I have done exactly the steps what that guy told me to do. I even made a bit.ly, and as you can see, it's May 8th, Sunday, the 8th of May, and I just got like 2 clicks. May 6th, 1 click, and May 7th, 1 click. I'm going to Facebook right now, and I'm going to show you like how many groups I joined, and I did it for like weight loss groups. So weight loss, fitness, and weight loss for beginners. Alright, 21 hours ago. It says 21 uur. It's my language, Netherlands, Dutch. 21 hours ago. Every step you take, 0 likes. In a group of 19,000 people, bro. It's messed up. Group of 187,000 people. Let me see if I wrote something out in here. Nothing. I think I did. Yeah, well, they probably have like denied my plan. They could also do that, like in here. They'll have to accept it first to get in the group. That's why I think they denied it in the last group. So this is 102 people, and the other one was like 187,000. But then they denied my message. Another one 413 people. I think I wrote something up in here. Yep. Fitness and exercise. 156k, bro. Let's see if I wrote something up in here. Of course, they denied it. How come? They deny like everything. It's messed up, man. You know what? I'm going to try it one more time. This. It's up for survey again. Alright. How to lose weight fast. Let's see if I wrote something up in here. Of course, I wrote 21 hours ago. So that should be 7th of May. Like, no one clicked on this. You don't even see likes or something out in here. Weight loss tips. Up for survey. Up for survey. Up for survey. Up for survey. How about this? Let's try it again. Put it out in here. Weight loss. 95,000, bro. 95,000 people. But none of them are active. Like, look how many likes they get. It's just sad, bro. It's messed up. See, 44k people. And they deleted it ASAP, bro. Like, what am I supposed to do if I can't, like, post posts? Like, for real. Kinda weird. But that's it. Okay, it says your... Okay, it says verwijderd. And that means deleted. Look. We're going from Dutch to English. Deleted. My post has been deleted. So, I don't know. It was a waste of time. You can't really make money with this method. Maybe you could, but it's definitely used so many times that you can't do that anymore. And they're trying to make money off of it from YouTube, of course, because it's a strategy that actually works. It looks like it works. Now I'm stuck in this 14-day trial. Gotta log out and make sure I don't have to pay for this, because it was not worth my money or my time. So yeah, again, subscribe. I'm going to make a lot of videos like this. Make sure in the comment section that you post some videos you think you should actually make, and I'll test them out for you, you know. It's give and take. Peace.